Okay, here's the fix for the crashing on the PS4. So what you want to do, hover over your server, whatever server you play on. Go to your home screen, library, applications, and either Netflix or YouTube. Doesn't really matter. Then you want to go into either one. Hover over Start, and double tap your PS4 button on your controller. Uh, you should go back into Rust. Click on your server, and while that's doing its thing, double tap your PS4 uh home button and double tap it again. Now wait until it says wire meshing or meshes. Then you wanna double tap your PS4 button, spam X, so it's about to appear here. There it is, and start Netflix. Now we'll say cannot display on the screen to the connected console. But I'm just scrolling through Netflix right now. I'm just gonna scroll through for like around 20 seconds. You don't need to do it for too long, but I suggest doing for 20 seconds or else it won't really work. Alright, and then you want to go to your home screen, Rust, and just let it load, and I'll load you in. Yeah, see, it's loading me in now, and it's gonna load me into the server with no problems. It's very simple to do, and it's very quick. And don't do it too fast, or else it won't work at all. It will just crash you because you did it too quick. And yeah, it's loading me in now, and you can hear like the water. Alright, I loaded into the server. As you can see, I am the server, fully working, everything. So yeah, that's how you do it.